In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a complete KDP book cover using Canva, even if you're a total beginner. This process is simple, beginner-friendly, and works for notebooks, coloring books, journals, and many other KDP formats. If you are new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss future tutorials that help you design and publish with confidence. To begin, you need the exact dimensions for your KDP cover. This is essential because Amazon KDP will only accept files that match their specifications. For this, use the KDP cover calculator. Start by entering your book details. Select the binding type, such as paperback with black and white interior on white paper. Choose inches as your measurement unit. Then enter the trim size, which is the final size of your book after printing. For many notebooks, the common size is 6 by 9 inches. Coloring books often use 8.5 by 11 inches. Finally, enter your page count. Once all details are filled in, click the option to calculate the dimensions. The calculator will instantly generate the exact measurements for your full cover, including the front, back, and spine. Download the provided template, as it will serve as your alignment guide inside Canva. Next, open Canva and set up your workspace. On the Canva homepage, click on Create a Design and select Custom Size. Enter the width and height from the KDP cover calculator. Make sure you input the dimensions exactly as provided. Once you enter them, create a new blank canvas. This new canvas now matches the precise size needed for your KDP cover. After that, upload your KDP template into Canva. Go to the left sidebar and click on Uploads. Choose the file you downloaded from KDP and upload it. Once the template appears in your Uploads panel, drag it onto your canvas and resize it until it perfectly matches the entire area. This template is crucial because it shows the safe zones, margins, spine width, and bleed areas. With the template in place, you can now design around it while ensuring everything stays within the required boundaries. Now you can begin designing your book cover. Add your background first. This could be a solid color, an image, a pattern, or an illustration. Make sure the background extends all the way to the outer bleed lines. Next, add your title text, subtitle, author name, and any other elements you want. Keep important text and graphics inside the safe zone so nothing gets cut off during printing. You can also add images, graphics, shapes, or textures to enhance the design. If your book requires a back cover description, place it inside the back cover safe area and choose a readable font size. The spine can include the book title and author name, but only if your book has enough page count for spine text. The template lines guide you so every part of your design stays correctly aligned. Take your time adjusting colors, fonts, spacing, and layout until you create a cover that looks both professional and unique. Once your design is complete, it's time to download it. Click the share button at the top of Canva, then select Download. Choose the PDF print option for the highest quality. Make sure the CMYK color profile is selected because it produces the best print results. Click to download, and Canva will generate a print-ready PDF of your full cover. Save this file to your computer, and it's ready to upload directly to Amazon KDP. You now have a correctly sized, professionally aligned cover that meets all KDP printing requirements.